Hi students, MCQ number 14. The energy stored in a capacitor in the circuit given below is 4.5 into 10 power minus 6 joule. If the cell is replaced by another capacitor of 900 picofarad as shown in figure 2, then the total energy of the system has to be determined. So now in the first picture you can see that the capacitance is C1 equal to 900 picofarad. The potential difference V1 is equal to 100 volt. So the energy stored here E1 is equal to half into C1 into V1 square, and this only is given as what? 4.5 into 10 power minus 6 joule. Now in the second picture, now you have to understand that this battery is removed. Okay, this cell of PD 100 volt is removed, and the charged capacitor C1 is connected across the capacitor C2. Okay, so what is going to happen? The capacitor C1 already it is charged by the battery, so it acts like a cell, it acts like a battery. So some charges are transferred from the capacitor C1 to capacitor C2, and there will be a energy stored in the system. Okay, that E2 we have to find out. But here actually potential difference externally we are not applying. Okay, already the charged capacitor C1 only is connected across C2. So what will be the charge stored in the second system? So for that you can see that V2 is equal to 0 volt because there is no battery. Understand? So in this case the energy is given by the formula E2 is equal to half into C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 the whole square. This is the expression. Okay. So this is a standard formula I have to remember. So that now in this case 1 by 2 into what is C1 and C2 both are 100 the same. So this is 900 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Pico means 10 power minus 12 into again 900 into 10 power minus 12 whole divided by C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2, 900 plus 900, we can write 2 into 900. So this is 2 into 900 picofarad. Okay, so this is 10 power minus 12. Now V1 minus V2 the whole square is what? 100 minus 0 the whole square. So into 100 minus 0, that is 100 square only. Now you see here 900 and 900 can be cancelled, and this 10 power minus 12 and 10 power minus 12 can be cancelled. So this is half into 900, half into 900. One more 2 is here, is it not? So we can write 900 by 2. Then in the numerator 10 power minus 12 into 100 is 10 power 2. 10 power 2 whole square is what? 10 power 4. So this 1 by 2 is retained. This 900 by 2 into 10 power minus 12 into 10 power 2 whole square is 10 power 4. So we can write now 900 divided by 2. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 450. This is 900 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 12 plus 4. So this is minus 8. So this is 225 into 10 power minus 8, or therefore we can write what? E2 is equal to 2.25 into 10 to the power of minus 6 joule. Okay, I am adjusting the powers of 10, so that the required answer is 2.25 into 10 power minus 6 joule. So which answer is the correct option? See here. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, therefore option B is the correct answer. Now this type of formula using the common potential and all you have to learn, understand. So based on this formula only we are able to solve such problems. Such explanations will not be found in your textbook, okay? It is out of text, but still it is required for solving the numerical problems in the competitive exams. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.